If you have sardines at home, this recipe will surprise you. Start by placing 125 grams of sardines in a bowl. Add an egg and mix well until the ingredients start to combine. This will help bind our recipe together. Now add another egg and keep stirring until everything is well blended. That extra touch of egg will make our mixture even more delicious. While the mixture is getting perfect, thinly slice an onion and set aside for the next step. Heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Place the onion slices in the pan and let them brown for about 2 minutes, until they are nicely caramelized and fragrant. Now add the sardine and egg mixture to the pan with the browned onions. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. You'll see the mixture begin to firm up and take on an incredible texture. After 5 minutes, turn the mixture over so that both sides are cooked and firm. Now it's time for the cheese. Add 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese on top and cook for another 3 minutes. The cheese will melt and give it that special touch that everyone loves. Finish with a little chopped parsley to give the dish a wonderful freshness. And there you have it. Our sardine and egg meal is ready and it's irresistible. It's wonderful, isn't it? If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and follow our page for more delicious tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.